game show, only on VTV Network. You're watching Danny's World on VTV Network.
Sponsored by Geico. 15 minutes can save you 15% or more on car insurance.
The San Diego Police Department has issued a civil danger warning for San Diego County, California, effective immediately. A creature believed to have existed 65 million years ago is attacking the city of San Diego. Everyone must advise to seek shelter and never move because this creature can see you even when it moves. Stay tuned for local media or NOAA Weather Radio for local news outlets.